The quantization of charge, it was basically total integral multiple of the transforming charge from one into another. It was basically represented Q is equal to plus minus Ne, or some books are also represented Q is equal. Now the N is the number of total transforming electron and E is equal to value of charge. If the E, that was the value of transforming electron, it was the number and the maximum value of the transforming charge at 1 electron. The value of electron in the term of charge 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. The integral multiple of the total transforming charge is known as the quantization of charge. For example, we can easily explain. Let us consider a metallic rod AB. The value of total transforming electron is 1 coulomb, and how many the numbers of electron is transferred in 1 coulomb, we can be observed easily. We know that the formula Q is equal to Ne. If the total transforming charge is 1 coulomb and N, the number of transforming electron be calculated, and the value of 1 electron is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb, and we observe the number of transforming electron 1 upon 1.6 10 power minus 19, and the maximum value of the transforming charge in 1 coulomb 6.25 into 10 power 18 electron. That process is known as the quantization of charge. Now we discuss one again. What is the quantization of charge? That was the total integral multiple of the transforming charge. We know that the quantization of charge. Or another word we can say, the number of transferring electron from one end to another end, that is also known as the quantization charge, and it was basically represented by Q is equal to plus minus Ne, or Q is equal to Ne. Now we discuss about the another topic in this chapter, conservation of charge. What is the conservation of charge? In the level of class 9, 10th and 11th, we are also know that the law conservation of energy. What is the law conservation of energy? We know that energy cannot be created nor be destroyed. It can be converted one form to another form. In same manner, the charge is also conserved. It was basically great example of the process of nuclear fission. What is the nuclear fission? We know that if any radioactive elements to be splitted at 2 or more lighter parts, that is known as the nuclear fission. The easier example of the process of the conservation of charge is known as nuclear fission. Like as the mathematical relation 92 uranium 235 is react with 1 neutron, and afterward it will be split into the 141 barium 56, 92 krypton 36 plus 30N1 neutron plus 200 megavolt energy. We observe that LHS and RHS, the value of the atomic number is given that 90. When the neutron is bombarded at the radioactive atom, it will be split into 2 or more parts to like as the barium krypton, and afterward 3 neutron. We observe that the value of atomic number 56 plus 36, that is also equal to 90. 141 and 92, that was 233, that was the atomic mass. If the 3 is multiplied 0 and 1. Now 3 is multiplied from 0, that was the atomic number, it is also 0. But 3 is multiplied on the mass number, that is converted in form of 3. The total number of transforming charge, or we can say that the value of atomic number, that is equal to LHS and RHS. And the mass number is also equal 141, 92, 233 plus 3, 236. That is the process is known as the law conservation of charge. Now another topic in this chapter, additivity of charge. That means additivity, it was the total sum of the charges, is known as the additivity of charge. To like as, for example, in figure, let us consider if Q1 is equal to plus 2 microcoulomb, Q2 is equal to minus 2 microcoulomb, and the point A and B, and C Q3 at the 4 microcoulomb and Q4 minus 4 microcoulomb. The total sum of the charges in this condition is known as additivity of charge. So like as Q is equal to Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q. That was the mathematical concept of the additivity of charges, is basically function on this relation. We observe the value like as Q1 2 microcoulomb, Q2 minus 2 microcoulomb, Q3 4 microcoulomb and minus 4 microcoulomb. The mathematical relation of the total charge in the sum of additivity, that was basically 0, and it will be developed to the concept of the sum of charges, or another word we can say that is the additivity. That was the concept of the electrostatics. Our first chapter basically take important part in our daily life. बचपन में हमने अक्सर देखा कि अगर अपने सूखे बालों पे कंघी को हम रब करते हैं और अगर छोटे छोटे पेपर के टुकड़े उस कंघी के पास लाते हैं रब करने के बाद, तो वी ऑब्जर्व दैट बोथ बॉडी आर क्लोजली पैक्ड एंड इट विल बी डेवलप्ड टू द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स. The electrostatic, that is the combination of two word electro plus statics. Now the electro, that was the total transforming charge, and static, that will be in rest motion. The body are in rest motion, that was the concept to be developed, electrostatics. Now we meet to in our another video, another day. Until then, goodbye.